Not the interaction that I was expecting.
Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
My husband and friends had to be convinced to come due to their bad experiences with monkeys.
Oh! Fuck that! No. Go this way. That fucker went to bite.
Oh, he coming. No, hurry up, Maxine. Maxine, get in the car. He's scratching his head. Now he's scratching his head.
You can see him?
Yeah, I can see him right there.
Yeah, I see him. I have the bag. Close the door.
Close the door, yeah.
Teddy's looking like
So I desperately wanted them to enjoy the ambiance and, of course, the silly monkeys. The first monkey was destroying the offerings.
He's straight eating the offering. Keep for us. We already saw a monkey drink Starbucks from the garbage can. I think we're going to have a fun day.
Okay, a good start. Playful monkeys. To show them that these monkeys were different, I went first. Then the monkey behind me shows out. But he did stay in his place. To voluntarily handle a monkey, you need to purchase a ticket.
Who are you brave, girl?
The ticket allows you a handler and food. They will take the pictures for you and assist you with the monkeys.
Put your hand down, hand down. Yes, hand down.
Now, about the monkeys taking selfies with you. Food is involved. The handler places the food on the side of your phone and the monkey grabs the food. On your camera, it gives the appearance of the monkey commanding your phone. Here's another view. See how it looks on camera? Wonderful! My friends are warming up to the monkeys. Wait a minute. Are they? Those monkeys are heated.
Oh, they humping. Ooh, they humping. Ooh. Ooh.
Keep an eye out because the monkeys do like to sneak up on you.
Look at that one. Oh. He just jumped on him.
Even if they look like they are walking away,
Mess with me. You just got baby.
Yeah, just stay like that. Just stay like that.
Yeah. Put his foot on my camera.
Oh, don't get the camera. Don't get the camera.
Oh my God, help me.
They're okay.
Thank you. It's recording.
I got you.
He put his ass on my head.
Oh, she seems
he was trying to steal my Versace pin and matching belt.
No, they want to try and get the pin. They want the belt. Oh. No.
Don't snatch my wig.
These fashionistas also want to do my hair.
He's sitting on my hand. Where am I going to go?
She's saying you do it.
Look at this.
After that, I needed the ambiance. They did a great job with the design. It looks like you are in a Tarzan movie. Oh, I always stop for the babies. I could watch monkeys play all day. Then a monkey got too comfortable with my purse.
No. Give me my bag. Give me my bag. That's my bag.
They are attracted to dangling things, so be aware. So I'm trying to show my friends this, but they are only seeing this. This silly monkey isn't even convincing them. All right,
There he is.
one more try.
This is what happens.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, Jesus. So we just gonna sit on it. That was
This primate has the nerve to sniff and tap my hair to see if it's real. Huh.
Get this thing off of me, please.
He's about to pull it. He's about to pull it.
If you bend,
Hold on.
that's it. He's off.
Okay.
Go, go.
This is when we all decided to go. 2 monkeys were play fighting. A nosy monkey got into their business and got jumped. That set off a hooty hoo and a ski yip call that got the other monkeys involved. And yes, I'm stuck in the middle and scared to make a sudden movement.
I need to get out.
I was hoping that my people would get a guide.
I need to get out. They still on pose. They're still on threatening pose. They got their teeth exposed. Okay, stay.
I don't want the
Walk
monkeys
easy.
attacking
Go
my
back.
husband.
Go back. Because they got their teeth exposed. No, because they had a tribal fight. You see everybody's coming now? This is a tribal fight.
Time to head to Bali Swing.